Morning. I don't know if you can hear the call to prayer, signifying the sky turning from black to the very darkest shade of blue. There's some bad weather coming today, so I'm trying to get up early and be on my way to arrive in Alanya with my friends before the rain arrives. It's the shortest day of the year today, and having arrived from Cyprus to Turkey, the clocks have gone forward. So the sun is coming up at 7:59 today, and it will set 9 hours and 40 minutes later. Roll on the longer days. That's my beach down there. I'm climbing about the same height as I did yesterday afternoon, but today I'm doing it over 9 kilometers instead of 6 kilometers. So hopefully there'll be less aggressive steep bits. It seems pretty gradual so far. And then from there it's flat. It's pretty windy, it's blustery, but I think the wind is helping me out for now. I was just coming in for a chai, but the very smart business lady has successfully upsold me to some lentil soup chorba, which is a much better choice actually, with lemon juice, some kind of turnip thing, pickles, all the bread I can eat. Teşekkür ederim. I'm certain you can't see this, but that's bloody snow! Snow is a significant part of the reason that I'm retracing the exact same road that I took this time 2 years ago on my way to Lebanon, because as you can see, or you can't see, you have to take my word for it, but even slightly inland is mountains and snow. So this is why I must remain on the coast in December, sadly. Last time I was in Turkey, I was obsessed with peynir helvası, which is like the shop-bought version of peynir tatlısı, which is a local dish from Çanakkale, which is Gallipoli, and it's cheesy, fibrous, polenta maybe. It's a very curious thing, and I adored it, and I still like it, but I think Palestine has ruined me for dessert. It's good, but it's no künefe. Günaydın. gives you an idea how slow I am. Just now getting the first drops of rain. I'm 5 or 6 kilometres from my destination, so hopefully I'll get away with it. I think this happened last time I arrived in Alanya. Hi! How are you?
I am fine, and how are you? Nice to see you again.
So good to see you. Amazing.
Yeah.
Just
park with you.
okay.
And when we are finished, we go home.
Okay, perfect. Wow.